Hello guys, welcome. Nice to have you here. So this is a short on gold. I think the gold is gonna go lower from here. So this is a spike of 20 minutes from 1 o'clock London time, 1 o'clock and 20 minutes. We always have a spike, either to one side or either to downside. This usually is triggered by an algorithm. Okay. I think the gold is going to move to the downside. You should be very careful with the risk parameters. I may be wrong, I don't know, let's see. But I think we're moving to the downside. Actually, it's a very tricky one, to be honest. Okay, let's see. I can't have gotten a trade, but yeah, let's wait for the 5-minute candle closure. In the case I'm gonna see a 5-minute closure down here, then I'm gonna add one more short for the price to continue lower, and yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see what we have today. Do we have any news or not? Okay, we have CPI in Canada right now. Okay, I may be wrong about the direction on gold for the short term, but yeah, let's see. I probably almost stopped out actually. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I should wait it for this type of trade. Probably I should close. Okay. Yeah, I rushed to get into a short here, but let's see. I think I am on the right side of the trade, but let's see. So we have the CPI today. This is Canada. This doesn't affect our trades on gold and Nasdaq as well. I'm not trading Nasdaq today, but I think we're moving to the downside, so let's see. Okay. Okay, once the 5-minute closes, I may look to add one more short down here. Okay, and I'm gonna put my stop loss higher. In 20 seconds we have the closure. Let's see it. Let's be very careful trading it. Okay. Okay, that looks interesting. Okay. I'm adding one more short down here. I added one more short. We may see a price go higher, but I want to see the price to go lower. So let's wait, let's see. Okay. Looks like I should close everything. Let's see. If this 5-minute candle pulls higher, okay, then I'm gonna close everything. I still think we are moving to the downside first, but let's see. Probably I should close half of it, but yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. I want to see the 5-minute candle to take the low of the previous 5-minute and to be a very quick drop. Let's see. This is kind of breakout trade. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Okay. So we are moving to the downside. So on a stream, I'm going to show you only one trade. I'm gonna close half of it because I had almost 6 mini short, and I don't want to be too heavy on it in case this 5-minute closes bullish up here. Okay, let's see it. I'm currently 22 points in one. Okay, profit, amazing. Wow, what a move to the downside. Amazing trade. Wow, that was a trade, guys. That was a trade. Wow, what a trade was that. Wow, 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 wow. Amazing short. This was a breakout trade, guys. So if you want to see more videos like this, please press the like button and press the subscribe or follow me. Yeah, this was an amazing entry for short. Great short, I would say. Amazing short. Yeah, amazing. Wow. This is type of trade what you will see only on my channel, and I'm gonna show you only one this kind of trades a day. I'm not gonna show you every trade what I'm getting in and out, because it releases the pressure, and I think it's too much value in this type of streams. Yeah, so yeah, thank you. Amazing trade, guys. I was in this spike to the downside with 3 mini. Yeah, even my stop, my TP was hit down. Great start of the week, to be honest. Amazing start of the week. What a start of the week, amazing. So let me trying to do it. Okay. Hi, sorry. Yeah, you can replay it back and see we already took the trade on short on gold. Okay. It was a great trade, to be honest. It was an amazing start of the week, and I think it's gonna be a very good week. So yeah, here's another probably buy here. You should be very careful with shorts. I would expect one more short probably, then one after this the price to go higher. You should be very careful. Okay, if you want to take a buy, then you can take it from here. You may see a bigger pullback, but in case, I think we are going higher from here. Just a short term, let's say it. Just take care with the size, guys. Once more, I'm gonna say it one more time. The size is what kills the account. Because the mentality of day traders, especially who has an edge but doesn't know how to protect it, they want to prove themselves that they can make it to $1 million very quick, and this is what kills them. Okay, so looks like the price is gonna continue lower. I didn't took a buy here. Okay. Okay. Okay, dokie. You should look for more shorts on gold here. Sorry, kind of messes, I know. Yeah, so on gold you should look for shorts more. 1 second, I'm coming. Yes, this is one more short here. If you want it, you can take it easily. We are free fall to the downside. The risk of this 5-minute candle, it may close bullish to go higher a bit, but it's a worth of risk. So yeah. I think the 5-minute is going to go lower, but this is going to be a tricky 5-minute candle. You should be very careful. So let's see it. Let's see it, play it. Okay, amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. So we are in a free fall right now. We're in a free fall, guys. We have nothing on the left. We are moving to the downside. It was a great short up here, and it was a great add to the here for the price to move lower. I'm already good amount in profit, a very good amount in profit, I would say. I was 3 mini in this spike short to the downside, and yeah, I was actually, then I added, and I'm very good. To be honest, I don't need to take more trades. I don't need to take any more trades yet. Okay, but I will show you some probably trades today. Just for you. One more trade. I'm gonna show you one more trade probably. Okay. Amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna show you one more trade, one more setup, but I'm gonna choose the right one just for you to be able to make some money and for me to release the pressure. So it may take a while for my next trade because I should wait for all time frames to show me the direction. I think we are very, very bearish, to be honest, very bearish, I would say. Even after 30 minutes after market open, I think we are moving to the downside. I would expect price to move lower, a lot lower. Yes, an A setup. This was an A setup, amazing A setup. The reason why I took the trade, because of liquidity on the left, a lot of lows, a lot of stops out. Also the higher time frame shows move to the downside, but the main reason was the spike of this 1 minute. This is a spike which happens all the time, every day the same time. This is the 1 hour and 20 p.m. London time. This is an algorithm activation. I don't know why is I would say 100% of the time. And the reason why, I was expecting a bearish and then a break with that algorithm activation to the downside. Yeah. After this 5-minute closure, you can take one more short here. Okay. Okay, yeah. You can take one more short, but very careful, because it's kind of tricky 5-minute closure and a 15 minutes. So no, I'm gonna not touch it. No. Even if the price goes lower, let it go. But I don't feel confident in this trade, so okay. Everything shows bearish right now, but yeah. The problem with this, let's say we may see a pullback to retest this bottom of the range and then to move lower. But in case it goes lower, congrats for sellers. I just don't feel it. So if it goes lower than this, then we definitely go lower, but in case we're coming back, then you may see a very quick spike to the upside, but I think it's going lower. I think it's going lower. Yep, now you should be very careful, because once it turned bullish, I'm not gonna say anything, just take care. So let's see it squeeze to the downside. We already had a great A plus setup, which gave us, I would say, 100 points. If you can catch every day 100 points, then you're gonna become a millionaire 100%. But it's not every day 100 points, but even a 50 points trade is gonna give you that. I decided to trade less because of other things to do and to focus on, so I probably will be here for 1 more hour, no more. So looks like I was right about the 5-minute candle. Short squeeze, okay. Okie dokie. Oh, what a price. So at this level the price is playing with our minds, especially for traders who enter short. I still think it's gonna go lower, a lot lower I would say. Now probably it's gonna break to the downside. Yes, it's gonna break to the downside. Let's see it, the closure, and then we're gonna decide what to do. Okay, if we have a bullish closure, that's a tricky one to be honest, but in case we may see a continuation down here. Okay. Let's see it. I still not entered, I'm waiting, so let's see it. I enter a short here, but in case it stops me out, I'm not gonna try to chase it. Okay. I think it's going to the downside and maybe a bigger bearish candle. Hope it's gonna be a big bearish candle. Yes, yes, I will be stopped out. Okay. The problem is that it's coming to this level, what I was saying. Yeah, it kind of fake it to the downside. So looks like I'm gonna give back. Yes, I close everything. We should wait. I was expecting kind of this. This is what I was afraid of, to fake it and to come back. Let's give it next 15-20 minutes to see what the price is gonna show us, because now it's kind of retracing, probably to take some stops out, and it's gonna move lower. I gave back some profits, but that's fine. I'm very good amount in profit. So yeah, let's watch it. Always manage your risk. Risk more on very good setups and don't overtrade and revenge trading. Okay. Okay. Yes, the price is gonna go higher. Currently I'm kind of busy. I don't look at the other charts. Yes, it's gonna go higher, a lot higher. I mean a lot. For 390, 395 probably. We should be very careful. If you wanna enter buy, then yeah, you can do it. But you should know what you're doing. You should know what you are doing, guys. Okay, so today is 17 August 2026. Yes, after the 5-minute closure is gonna give you probably one more buy. If you want it, you can take it, but very careful, because you should know where the stop loss is. Otherwise you may get in a trade what you cannot afford to lose. You should know what you are doing. So yeah, I'm gonna get in a short. Not a buy, but in a short, not from here, but higher price. So yeah, let's see it. Okay. I will be looking for a short. Not now. Probably it may give it now, but I don't feel now the safe way, safe place to take a short. Probably, if you want, you can take a buy and very quick short. We can play with this if you want it, but on your own risk. So I'm gonna show you where to put a stop loss. Yeah, this is kind of thing. Should I risk? Let me take 1 mini. Okay. I have a 51 TP and 17 point stop loss. It can go lower from here. You should be very careful. I took the 3 times smaller size than my normal size because only is a risky trade, and you should be able to trade. Yeah. Once the price is gonna go higher, I'll be looking for a short. And always remember, you should be able to manage your risk. And yeah. Okay. You should always manage the risk management, and also you should be able to take profits on the way. Once the trade is in profit, remember, profits, it's what you take home, yeah? This is the amount what you take home and releases pressure on your emotions. In case the 5 minute is gonna come back inside, probably it's gonna be a bearish closure, and yeah, probably it's gonna be a bearish closure. Let's see it. Let's give it time. Yep. Yep. You should be very, very careful. Okay, looks like he's moving to the upside. So please press the like button and subscribe, guys. It's gonna help for other people to see us, and if you can leave a comment as well, that's great. Okay, so looks like someone unfollowed me. Yeah, they don't like because so okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, so I was right about the about the bearish closure, but I still think we are moving to the upside first before moving lower. Now we have the closure. The price may go lower. I will close this trade, or let me close half. I'm gonna close half. Okay. I close half of my trade because it should already went to the upside, but before that I think it's gonna go lower, then higher, then probably lower. Let's see it, or it can go straight to the downside, but I think we should expect one leg to the upside. I probably may add one more buy. Let's see it. Once the next 5-minute candle is gonna open, probably I will add one more buy. Yes, it's a great. Give me a lower entry, please. A lower entry, please. If the price moves lower than my entry and hits the stop loss, it's gonna go much lower. Okay, I didn't had a chance to add. Probably will move higher without me. But I think we're still bearish. I'm gonna enter a short from... Okay, I took another half. I moved the stop loss higher. Okay, so this is not gonna give me an entry. I moved the stop loss about this level. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Probably, I don't know. I consider myself good because I'm good. But trading is not so easy how you think. Even as good as me, we have hard times trading as the last week. But I think last week was more about pressure on me showing every trade and entering on every trade and showing to you, because I know how to manage them. But when I show every trade, then it puts a lot of pressure on myself, and because of that I cannot read the price action correctly, because the price action is the king actually. This is what gives an edge in the market. If you can read it, then you can trade well, yeah. The price action is the king, and the volume level 2 as well. But the volume kinda, it's tricky. You should be able to trade the volume. You should be able to read it together with the price action. But the more important is, I would say, is level 2 and the price action. So probably the next 5 minutes is gonna be an outside bar. Take the week and probably go higher. Or this one. Yeah, I was stopped out, break even. Okay, I would like to water buy here. Okay, let's see it. I added here buy in case it goes lower. It goes lower. So yeah, let's see. Probably will go lower because it kind of fake it to the upside. Then it's gonna go much lower, a lot lower. But in case I'm right, it's a good risk reward. You should be very careful. Very, very careful, I would say, because it can go lower a lot faster than you. Okay, yeah. Yeah, probably it's gonna go lower. Let's see it. I wanna... yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm still in a trade, but... yes. Come on. Should I close it? I put a stop loss. Let's see. Probably I should get out. Yes, I should get out. It will give me a chance to get out even in profit, because let's see it. I wanna see the 1 minute, the 5 minute candle closure. Okay, I am almost break even. I'm gonna close half of my trade. I close half of my trade because I don't wanna give a lot of profits if I'm wrong. So okay. My stop loss is right at the low of this week right now, and my entry is just above it, around here. Next 5 minutes also will drop to the downside. You should be very careful. You should be very careful the next 5 minutes, because the next 5 minutes probably is gonna move lower, take the low of this and move higher, or to go lower. Yeah. Okay. So this is an outside bar on the 5 minute. I expected the next 5 minutes to be an outside bar, but that's fine. As long as the price is gonna go higher for our to hit our TP, then that's fine. We may look after that for shorts. Okay. I move the stop loss higher. Okay. So I move the stop loss higher because this 5 minute may be a bearish one. Okay. So I was stopped out. This may be a big bearish 5 minute candle. Yeah, because of the higher time frame. But I am quite tricky to getting now into a short because I have a feeling that we still have business to the upside, and I'm gonna stay away from shorts right now. Probably if gonna give me a good buy, I may take it, but for shorts, it's very dangerous for me to take shorts right now. And I think it's dangerous to take a short. So, let's wait. Let's wait and let's see. I don't think this will be a bullish 5 minute candle. I think this is a bearish candle, and either this one is gonna be a big bearish or the next one is gonna play both sides. You should be very careful. Very careful, I would say. Very, very careful. Okay. If you want to scalp for about 15 points, you can take a short, but you should be very careful. I would take a buy only if this 5 minute is gonna close around this level, yeah? 387, then I'm gonna look for a buy. I'm not touching anything right now. Okay, I hope it's gonna give me an entry for a buy. Okay, let's see it. Okay guys, looks like the price is kinda ready. It's preparing for our buys, but I'm not so confident yet. Let's look better to look for shorts than for buys, because the main direction for today, at least for the next 30 minutes or hour, is gonna be a bearish side, so let's not mess with buys. I want to take a short from here, but I need a bigger stop loss, and I don't want to take a bigger stop loss. So if I take a short from here, I need at least 100 points stop loss, but I don't want to do it. I want to see a price. So if the 5 minute is a very risky one, because the next one may slam to the downside, may fake to the upside and may go higher, you should be very careful. But I would like to take a buy here. So let's say if you want to take a buy, then you should put a stop loss very small. Yeah, this kind of trade is gonna be okay. Because if the price from here may fake to the upside and drop lower, but in case it goes, it goes. Yeah. Okay, I see some power. Currently I have 6 mini buy. I'm gonna take half because I'm already 17-20 points in profit. I close half. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss higher. I'm gonna close another half once the price reaches this level, 388.26, because it's a risk of double top and we may see a bearish 5-minute candle closure. You should be very careful. And also the wick of that candle on the 5-minute is very tricky, so I'm gonna close another half now, put everything to break even. I put everything to break even. I close another half before that. I may be stopped out, but that's fine. I already made some money. And I am on the high of the day in profit. If I'm not gonna be stopped out, that's great. I still have 1.5 million because I took the half 2 times. Okay. Once the price goes higher, I may okay, I'm gonna take another half. I close another half. Currently I have only 0.8. This is gonna be 8 micro in a short, in a buy, sorry. In a short. Thank you guys for your appreciation, and thank you that you are here. I hope you learned something. I don't think you can find anything better out there than my stream. I mean, for live execution. Okay. Come on. I don't know on your side, but at this level the broker is making the spread so wide that taking out from trades it makes unreasonable. Hello geeks, I hope you had a great weekend and you are ready for our next great trading week. Imagine at this level the broker makes on my side the broker makes the spread almost 10 points. Yeah, imagine. What crazy is that? Because so many people trying to get in and out at this level. So I'm gonna close. I close another half because the spread is too big at this level. At some point it was 77.5. What a big spread! So, wow, wow, it's crazy how big is a 15-point spread for me on my side. Wow, I never seen this before. So looks like the broker doesn't want me to make money today. Regarding the CFD trader, CFD accounts, you should choose always the row type account. Don't look for standard. Because the broker puts your trades in the market, in a pool market, if you have a row account. Yeah, if you have a standard, then it's kinda you're trading against the broker, so he always will have he will always take the other side of your trade if you have a standard. Yeah, so basically if you make money, he loses money with the standard account. This is a tricky business on a CFD. So I will be looking for a short now. Let's close our buys. I'm gonna close everything. I close everything. Okay. I made some money. Now we are gonna wait and looking for shorts. Yeah. This is a very good place to get a short here, because the price is gonna go lower faster from here than, and I think we should wait probably, but I think we're moving to the downside, so we may take shorts. We may look for shorts, guys. You can take a short from up here, from up this level, or you can take a safer place when the price is gonna break and squeeze the let's say the buyers. Short squeeze. Oh my god, what I did. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be a short actually. Yes, it's too late for me to enter, but I hope you may find a short around this level. The problem, I'm waiting. I wanna see a better and a safer place to enter a short. I'm not gonna do it right now. Okay. Short squeeze. I posted on Instagram and I did a mistake. Instead of buy squeeze, I wrote it short squeeze. So actually it's a buy squeeze, but short squeeze, buy squeeze. Oh yeah, I hope someone start commenting on it and give me some push in algorithm. To be successful, I think in Instagram, TikTok, I think you need to have more haters than followers. Yes, we are gonna wait for the 5-minute candle and then we may look for a short. The problem right now is the next 5 minutes may be a big bullish one. It may do in this way. It may set you for a short. You enter a short, it kinda shows you it's going to the downside, then may go higher, close, lower, and then it's gonna go lower. You should be very careful if you enter a short. It was a great short up here, to be honest, an amazing short, I would say. But take profits, put everything to break even, because the next 5 minutes is gonna be a tricky 5-minute candle. But in case I'm wrong, then this 5 minutes should go all the back down and we should see a bearish closure on this level. And we may set our shorts, but I don't think we are ready to break outside this low and or to break to the upside. So let's watch it and let's be very careful, because trading is risky and nothing here is financial advice. It's only for the educational purpose, yeah? So be very careful with your size. The size is what kills the account and the mindset. Why people always trade bigger than they can afford? Because they want to become successful and to prove themselves or to prove to someone that they are good at something, yeah? But this is actually what makes the journey even slower and even longer than you may think. Yeah, 1, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 10 days is you're gonna be lucky, but comes one day when you cannot accept the loss and you're gonna blow it. You're gonna blow it, believe me. And you start from zero. So always trade small compared to your trading account. This is gonna save you, believe me. The fastest way to grow account is the slowest way, yeah? The fastest way is the slowest one. To be able to trade a small account to millions, you need skills and a very, very good strategy, like my one. My one allows you very good entries, high win rate, but this is a skill, I would say, what I achieved during my 6 years of full-time trading. Is nothing that I earn it or looking at someone how trades. I never watched someone trade except Ross. He's a stock trader and he's a scalper, but he's a breakout most trader. The breakout, I would say he's one of the best traders out there, who streams and who shows everything. but he's on small caps, and the small cap is even dangerous place to be, because one mistake can blow your whole account. So here we may see one leg to the upside or to the downside, I don't know, let's see, but I'm not gonna get in any trade right now. We are bearish, yeah? Overall, we are very bearish on gold for the next 2 hours, I would say. If the bias changes to the upside, we should accept it and look for buys. But otherwise, we are looking only for shorts for now. Okay. Yes, this level is gonna go higher probably. Yeah, it's gonna go higher. If the bias changes, then you should look for buys, but at the moment we are in a range and I'm not gonna touch it. I can take buys, I know how to take buys here, I know how to manage the risk, and even I can make money on this, but I wanna catch the type of moves what gives me at least 70-100 points. I feel safer in those moves, because once it moves from my entry, then it's not coming back. Okay, dokie. So yeah, let's see. We should expect a closure on the 5-minute candle around this level. I don't think it's gonna break the high on this, let's say, lower high or new higher low. So the price broke the sequence of higher lows and lower highs. The price is gonna go lower now and close probably around this level, and then it's gonna give us an opportunity to go short. I would like to take a short from up here. Also, I will look to add one more short down here, but not for now. Okay, not now, but later. Not now, later. The problem right now, what I have, is the higher time frame, guys. The higher time frames is a tricky one and kinda doesn't allow me to take a short, to be honest. It's quite a problem with the higher time frame. But if you can see these wicks on the left, this is the problem for the price to break lower or higher. We have a lot of pressure in these wicks. The price problem is can spike to the upside, and we may see some short on level 2 and to put the price lower. Let's wait. It's better to wait. Even if you see a bearish closure on the 5-minute candle, you should avoid entering short, because the next 5-minute may go higher. I don't think we are ready to the downside. I think we should wait for the price to go out from this small range, yeah, because we are right at the bottom of this bigger range, and we may see either go higher or either go lower, and right now the price on the high time frames is not ready to move to the downside or to the upside. For the upside, it doesn't allow me to take a buy, but for the downside also it doesn't allow me to take a short, yeah. So we should wait. But mainly I think we are bearish, we are moving to the downside. Yeah, we should wait. Okay. Okay. The problem right now what I have is the higher time frames for taking shorts, and it's quite tricky, to be honest. If I'm gonna take a short in this range, I may take a short just for a 30 points trade, yeah, probably, or less, but I would prefer a 100 points trade than a 30 points trade, yeah, because if I have a 30 points trade, then my stop loss should be a 30 points or around 20 points, but the risk reward is not so good. So I'd prefer a better trade. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so as I said, we're gonna close around this level. The next 5 minutes probably is gonna give us a short, but I wanna take a short but higher. I wanna take a short above this high, not inside. Now you cannot take a buy because it shows like it may go lower, but I think it's gonna go higher. Remember guys, you should be very careful with the size, yeah? The size what kills the account. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a short. Okay, so the 1 minute looks very juicy. Okay, so I'm gonna put a short. The problem right now is that in 5 minutes we have the market open, and that is a danger one. The next 1 minute is gonna be probably a spike to the upside. It's gonna give a bias for a buy. I may take a buy here. I took a small buy, but only for a scalp of 25 points. Yeah, I enter a buy on this pullback on 1 minute, but only for a scalp of 25 points. I'm already good amount, not good amount, but in profit. Okay, so yeah, let's see. It may go lower, definitely it may go lower. Okay, but I think the 1 minute is gonna spike to the upside. Oh, okay, so this is a losing trade for me, looks like. Let's wait. If this minute is gonna close how I think, the next 1 minute is gonna spike to the upside, and yeah, it's gonna give me this scalp. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now let's go. Let's go. So now this 1 minute should go higher and give me a short. And yeah, I'm still in a buy. Okay. I don't think this 1 minute is gonna go lower, but in case it does, then once it breaks its own low one more time, then I'm closing everything. So I'm gonna give about 12 points, but I'm targeting 25 points. I would say even more, around 32 points. Wow, come on, don't go lower. It may go lower, yeah. Okay. I wanna see a spike to the upside, but it may not give it to me. Let's see it. I may be stopped out. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be stopped out. Yes. Almost. Yes, the 1 minute doesn't look so good. This is a scalp, it's not a big trade. Actually I have 3 minis, but in case I'm stopped out, I'm stopped out. Yes, looks like I will be stopped out, and I was stopped out. I was stopped out. Yes, this is what happens when you play with fire. Yeah, we are waiting for a short. We're not gonna touch right now. The price may go higher. It may go higher. Let's see it. I hope it's not gonna go higher than my entry. Actually, it can, but let's see. Let's give a chance for a short. Okay. I wanna see the closure. Yes, the next 30 minutes are gonna be tricky to trade, guys. You should be very careful, because we are not gonna go out from this range in the next 30 minutes. Probably... I want to wait before taking a short. Actually, it's gonna give us a short. I'm gonna give it right now, actually, when the market opens. So let's watch it. Come on, go one more time to the upside and let's take a short. Okay. You should be very careful entering a short right now because I think it's gonna spike to the upside. I enter a small buy here, just for a scalp. Come on. So, okay, let's go. I enter a buy here. It may go lower, but I think it's gonna go higher first. I have 6 minis right now, so let's see it. Okay, amazing buy. Come on. I know it's gonna spike higher for my short entry up here. We may go lower. Let's see. I'm quite heavy right now, so I'll be looking to taking profits in this small undecision. Okay. I close half just because I'm quite heavy and I don't wanna lose a lot. Okay. You should be very careful managing the risk, so amazing. I close another half, stop loss break even. I'll be looking for shorts once the price reaches this level. Okay. So the 1 minute should spike higher right now. Oh, actually my TP got hit. Okay, that's good. Not so bad. So 25 points. It was a good scalp. So now we are looking for a short, guys. Yeah, now we are looking for a short. Probably is not ready for a short. We should wait a bit longer. Yes, it's not ready for a short. We are waiting, and we're gonna take a short later. Not now, but later. Yeah. So yeah, let's watch it. Let's watch our short. This is another buy here. Okay, that's good. One more time. You should be very careful with the size, yeah? Very, very careful with the size, guys. Because if the price is gonna go higher from this level, then it's gonna go a lot higher, yeah? And we may switch the bias in case the stop loss doesn't work here, yeah? In case the stop loss doesn't work, then the price is gonna go higher. But we should be very careful with the size. I wanna see the 5-minute closure candle. Yeah, let's watch it. I think we probably may move now to the downside, but even if it moves, it's not gonna be a big move to the downside because we are not done. We are not done up here. So if you wanna short, probably should take now a short. Yes, I'm gonna take a short. Okay. In case I'm wrong, then the price is gonna go a lot higher. I enter a short, but believe me, in case I'm wrong, then the price is gonna go much higher, and you should accept the loss if the price goes against you, yeah? This is gonna be about, I don't know, the risk reward 1 to 7. Yeah, this is gonna be a risk reward 1 to 7. Always remember to take profits. I'm already 12-15 points in profit. I have, yeah, I'm gonna take half if the price goes a bit lower. If reaches 386, I'm gonna close half because I am quite heavy right now. I have 5 minis and I don't wanna hold it to take a full loss on 5 minis. Yeah. And always, so the price is gonna go higher probably, but let's watch the 1 minute. I wanna see a I don't like it actually. Yeah, it's gonna go higher, looks like. And looks like, yeah, it's gonna go higher, guys. Let's see it. Let's see it. If I'm right, then the bias probably is gonna change. Okay, so let's see it. I wanna watch the 5-minute candle, how the price is gonna close. It may go higher, but let's wait. Okay. Okay, looks like looks like it's gonna go lower, but I'm gonna close half right now because I don't like the closure. Let's see in 7 seconds how the price is gonna close. So close half or hold it. Okay, good. Okay, probably it's gonna spike one more time higher, so I'm gonna close half. I close half of it because in case I'm wrong, then the price is gonna go higher a lot. And yeah, I have 2.5 minis right now. I have a TP. The problem right now, why I think the price may go higher, is because the higher time frame. And the higher time frame, once we reach, let's say, and we break the sequence of higher lows, I may take one more, but take half, close half, So it's gonna be about 45 points in profit. Okay, let's watch it. Okay. So if you want to have this type of trades, you should follow me, and yeah. Okay, amazing. Now we broke the sequence of higher lows, and we should be very careful with buys. And yeah, I'm gonna close another half right now here. I close another half. Amazing, good amount in profit. Once the 5-minute closes, I may put everything to break even and leave the rest to run. Yeah. I would like to ask you guys who uses the app, did you have any problem to install it today? Because we updated it, and yeah, I would like to ask you how the app is working. Did you have any problems with installing it? So it looks like the 1 minute is switching. Okay, no, I installed it easy. Okay, thank you. Now you should be very careful because the next 1 minute. Okay, now probably I should add into short, but let's see. I want to add short here, but the 1 minute doesn't look good. I added one more mini here, short. Okay, in case it goes higher, it goes higher. Okay, but in case not, is a good short to add. So I added one more short up here on this 1 minute. In case it goes higher, it goes higher. And yeah, let's see it. The problem right now is the higher time frame, which doesn't allow the price to move lower. I hope it's gonna move lower, but if it doesn't, we should close everything and be very careful. If the price is gonna break higher, I'm closing everything. I hope this 1 minute is gonna be a price move to the downside. Okay, so that's probably a problem. Yes, the price is gonna go higher, guys. Let me wait. Okay, I close everything, yeah? I close it. We will look for other entries. I close everything. Okay. Okay, so I close everything. Did I make some money here? Yes, I did. Yes, looks like the price is going higher, and we should probably change the bias now. But it didn't give us a buy here. I don't think it was possible to take a buy, probably only in this 5 minute. But yeah. Yeah, looks like the higher time frame wins now. And if the higher time frames is gonna close like this, probably it's gonna go higher, and we should switch the bias. Yes, we should switch the bias probably. Well, let's see. Let's watch it. Okay. Okay. Let's see the 5 minute closure, how it's gonna close, because we may see a bearish closure even. and the price still may go lower. Let's see it, let's watch it. It's kinda tricky, to be honest. The goal today is spike, 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 only spike. So we should be very careful trading it. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Amazing, 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 amazing. If you want to take a buy, then probably this is a pullback for a buy to price move higher, but I'm not gonna touch it. I don't want to touch because I don't see a clearer picture right now, so I don't want to jump in anything what doesn't look good for me. This is probably a good buy for the price if the bias changes. Should I take it? Probably. So I'm gonna take a buy. Let's take a buy here, but only for a small. In case I'm wrong, then we should find out very quickly. Okay, so again, I'm giving back money. Okay. So this is the reason why I didn't want to take a buy here. So I close in a loss. The problem right now is we don't have a clear direction, and this is the reason why the price behaves in this way. We should stay away, to be honest. Mainly I think the price is bearish and we should move to the downside. This 5-minute candle is gonna show us direction, to be honest, and yeah, may give us a good trade to the downside. So I gave back 25 points with 1 mini. Yeah, it's okay. 25 points with 1 mini. Okay. The problem right now, what I think is the next 15 minutes we should see if I'm right about the bias to the downside, then we should see probably a bearish move to the downside in the next 15 minutes, because otherwise we're not gonna see the price moving lower in the next 4 hours. But if I'm wrong about the bias to the downside, then we should look for buys, probably also from here. And this is the tricky one, because I think we are moving lower from here, and probably I will take a short once the 5-minute candle closes. I hope it's gonna give me a short, but it's gonna be a tricky short. You should be very careful, because the next 5 minutes probably is gonna do this. Yeah? And you should be ready to be stopped out. If you don't want to take it, don't take it, because I'm telling you, this is going to be a tricky short if it's going to give us a short. I expect a 5-minute closure around this level, and then probably move higher, and then probably short, or it can go straight away short, lower. But I think what I think is gonna probably close around this level, then probably is gonna have a short, then probably come back inside, and yeah, it's not gonna be a very, very good trade. We should stay away and be very careful. I think a clear direction comes, or a clear trade, after 15 minutes probably, but you may take a short here. Let's take it for a scalp, because I think it's gonna give us a short. The problem is the next 5 minutes may go higher, but I'm gonna risk it for a biscuit. Okay, I'm gonna risk it for a biscuit. Okay. 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 I'm gonna. Wow. The problem is the 15 minutes candle, and it's not a good one, to be honest. Okay. Be very careful. Very careful. Because the next is may go higher, but I still think it's a bearish one, so let's see it. This should not be 1 to 7 risk reward. I think we may see a price coming higher from around this level. And also you should not have a big stop loss, because if the price comes higher, let's say 13 points, this should be a spike to the downside and we should see a bullish closure, but in case I'm wrong, you can find out in this pullback, because the price is gonna go higher, if it's gonna go much higher, yeah. And probably this was a buy here, an entry for a buy. Okay, yes, probably it was an entry for a buy for the price to move higher. Yes, looks like the idea, I think, is it was a buy. It was because of the 15 minutes candle, and it's gonna go higher, probably a lot lower, a lot higher. It's gonna go for 400 levels, I would say. But let's see. Let's watch it. Yes. Probably it's gonna go higher. Yes, probably it is, and I should get out. Come on, don't you want to move to the downside? Yes, I close everything. The idea is that it was a buy because of this candle. Yes, and now it's gonna go higher. Okay, I know where it goes. I enter a buy, but a very quick buy. You should be very careful. So yeah, the problem right now is we have the conflicting information on all time frames. One time frame shows a buy, another time frame shows a sell, and we kinda recommend to stay away from this. Yeah. Now you may see the 5-minute closure, a very tricky 5-minute, and the next is gonna move to the downside. It was a good buy only when this 5-minute candle opened, but also it was a good potential short, yeah. But the higher time frame shows a different, it showed the buy. So yeah, let's watch it. Okay. Okay, okay. I added a buy in this pullback to the downside. Okay. I think the price is gonna close above here, and it's gonna give us a entry for a buy. But let's see. Okay. Amazing. I'm already 25 points in profit on 6 minis. Okay. Amazing buy, guys. Amazing buy. Wow. Amazing buy. It's gonna give us more. Believe me. It's gonna give us more. Okay. It's gonna get... Wow, 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 wow. Wow. I may look to add 3 minis up here. Up here I'm gonna add. Let's see the closure. Don't forget to take profits, because the profits is what feeds us. I have 3 minis only left. I'm gonna add, probably, I put everything to break even. My entry is around this level. I'm gonna add one more buy, if it's gonna give it to me. Okay, we should look for a buy about this level. For the price probably to go higher a lot, and it's gonna give, because now it moved out from this small range, and it give us a direction. I'm gonna be very heavy up here, probably to add 6 or even 10 mini. So let's see it. I'm gonna close another half, stop loss break even, don't forget it. Okay. Okay, so I'm closing another half. Okay, I am adding about 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I added up here. I added. Okay, for a breakout to the upside. You should be very careful because this 5 minute may have a bigger pullback or even go and have a bearish closure. You should be very careful entering here, but if it goes, we should find out straight away. This should not be a big pullback. If this 5 minute candle goes, then it should be not a big pullback on the 5 minute, yeah? You should have a very small stop loss, let's say 12 points. This is a breakout trade, yeah? This is not a type of trade what you should have a bigger stop loss, yeah? Amazing, amazing buy. I'm closing another half. Okay, amazing, amazing. Wow, what a spike to the upside. Amazing trade. Don't forget to put everything to break even once you take the profits. We may be stopped out, but it's a risky place to add, and we may see a bearish closure on the 5 minutes, so be very careful. Okay, amazing, amazing. I'm trading currently on 2 accounts at the same time because I'm using the app and I'm testing it, how it works to trade it on 2 terminals at the same time. Okay, I close another half. Amazing. Wow, what a trade, guys. Amazing trade. Wow, wow, what a move to the upside. Great, great buy. Amazing buy. You should move everything to break even. Don't forget to put the stop losses to break even. Amazing buy, guys. Amazing buy. Put everything to break even because the next 5 minutes may come to our entry. So, such a great trade. You should be already be in profit, 60 points. Looks like it's gonna go higher for 11 points. This was an, I would say, a risk reward 1 to 5 at least. This is not something you can find out there, so please press the like button and subscribe. This is the last trade what I'm gonna show to you today. I'm not gonna show you any more trades because I think it's enough. This was enough for today, and it was a great day, a great and amazing, great bullish, let's say not bullish but green day. I want to stay with you guys to trade more. I closed everything. The price is still bullish. Probably we are moving to these highs, probably higher, but for me is enough. And because it kind of exhausted me if I stay longer. So yeah, be very careful. Or if you have any questions, you can give it to me right now and I can answer to you. So the Nasdaq looks Nasdaq. This is a Nasdaq style. You can make money on it, but you should know how to trade it. I think this is a crazy move and crazy price. It has a low volume day. I started hating Nasdaq price action in the last 2 weeks actually. It was hard to trade for me. Gold is very generous if you know how to trade it and if you know how to have your risk management. So this was a great trade here, and yeah, now you should be very careful because we already took the stops out and we have profit takers here. We also have sellers getting in, and you should be very careful. Okie dokie. This probably was a good short, but I'll be very careful because if you are against gold, you may see big candles against you, and if you take this type of entries, you should always have the stop loss in place. Yeah, you should not take trades without a stop loss on gold because if the spike is against you, believe me, you're gonna lose a lot. If you are with a wrong size, yeah. So please press the like button and subscribe, guys, because we had a great day, and probably you're gonna see more if you're gonna subscribe. And yeah, so yes, guys, thank you. Read the market is amazing. Yes, gigs, I'm happy that you are here. You were one of the first who was watching me. I hope you are doing well. You should be very careful. I know, because sometimes when I enter trades, it is like this one, like this short, but I was ready to lose it. So you should be very careful if you copy my trades. This is only for educational purpose. There will be an option in the next couple of months to be able to copy direct my trades, but there's gonna be for fees, nothing for free. But you will not have to open the trades by yourself. It will be a system which will allow to link your account to mine and to be able to trade. I mean, you should not know trading for copying me, but that is gonna be for not for free, and it will be based on the percentage amount from your account or based on the monthly fee. So yeah, if you make profit, then I make profit as well, and that is gonna come soon. We are working right on it. Okie dokie. If you wanna take a short, then probably you should take now, because I think it's gonna give a short, a very good short here. Okay, probably should wait and put a, yeah, it's gonna give a short here for about 1 to 3. Probably I can take a short, but I'm gonna wait a bit, 3 minutes probably, or 2 more minutes. I'm gonna take a short. So yeah, it's gonna give us a short. I'm not touching now, believe me, I'm not touching right now, and I'm gonna get a short right. Okay, let's see it. Let's see, it looks like we are moving to break the high on the left. Okay, so now let's see it. I'm not touching it, I didn't enter, so looks like now we are ready. I enter a short right now. Okay, amazing. I enter a short up here, guys. The price may go higher. You should be very careful. You should be very careful. Amazing, 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 amazing. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Amazing. Wow, what a spike to the downside. Woo! Oh my god, I took halves, everything to break even. Wow, yeah, that was a great short, guys. Don't forget to take profits. Don't forget to take profits. I already almost closed 75% of my trade. Yes, 75% of my trade. Amazing short. 50 points in profit. Amazing, guys, amazing short. Okay, come on. Wow, what a trade. Woo, was that amazing, guys, amazing short. So just like that, yes, just like that, guys, just like that. So please press the like button and subscribe, because if you're gonna miss it, you're not gonna make money. So looks like it was almost hit. The reason why I took the short, it was because we are in the last 2 minutes of the 4-hour candle closure, and as I was expecting the high from the left not to be taken. Yeah. Yes, guys, everything closed. I made a lot of pips today. I'm not gonna say an amount because it's not public business, it's my business. So yeah, it was quite tricky today because I'm using the 2 platforms trading at the same time, and I'm using the app to trade it on 2 accounts. Yeah, You can use the app to trade on the 3-4 accounts, as many as you want, but you should be very careful because yeah, you should be very careful trading using this to trade on 2 and more accounts. Yeah. So see you tomorrow, guys, and hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the live, and yeah. Yes. So have a good day. I want to be here with you, but also I have a lot of things to do beside trading. So please press the like button and see you tomorrow, probably the same time, 1 o'clock London time, or probably early, with a 15 minutes early window, but yeah, around this time. 1 o'clock tomorrow I will schedule the stream, and see you tomorrow. Have a great day ahead and take care of yourself, and see you tomorrow.